Here are 5 random Unity 2021 tips. Are you bored that every time you want to close the game window, that you have to click the X button in the corner of the screen? Well, look no further, because Unity has got you covered. By simply adding this line of code in a script and linking it up to a button, you now have another way of closing the game window by simply pressing that button. Yay! I'm sure most of us have done this before. You open up Unity Hub and want to create a new 2D project, but oh no, you accidentally click the 3D option. Don't delete the project just yet though. You just have to toggle this button on, change the camera's projection from perspective to orthographic, and there you go, good as new. Perhaps this might sound strange, but if you are a beginner, this might be helpful. Wondering where to create a C# script? Well, right click in the project folder and select create and select C# script, and there you go, a new script. Comments. There's a very good reason why they exist. It's just good game development practice to comment on everything script related, because 10 years from now, I highly doubt that one will remember what each line of code does anymore. Tired of having to click buttons to build and run your project? Well, Unity also has got you covered. By simply hitting the Ctrl plus B key on your keyboard, Unity will build the project immediately. No hassle of using the mouse anymore. I hope you guys found this interesting. Until next time, cheers!